Good afternoon. My name is Richard Yestit Peña Chavez. This is Triphase, Step 1. Salutation and greetings. Hi, Mom. We live in France. We are happy because where we live is residential, and we have good neighborhoods. We bought a beautiful car. We buy a beautiful car. I like to ride bike. My wife, Lida, and my girl, Sofia, send you hugs and greetings. Please, we want to know how are you and what about my father and my brothers. We continue with the steps 2. Your house description. Hi, Mom. I also want to tell you that we bought a new apartment. It is amazing because there are 2 bathrooms, there are 2 living rooms, there is a room, there is a dining room, and the kitchen is wonderful. Also, it has our parking, and that's all right. Residential is behind of the mountain. The weather is a little cold, but it's not a problem. It's cold, but it's not a problem because if you can get hot. After that, we continue with the daily activity. Describing your daily routine. Mom, I want to tell you what we do all of the day. For example, we get up at 5:30 a.m. every day. We make the breakfast. We often eat milk with coffee, some bread and eggs. After that, I take Lida to her work. After that, I come back to home to do some house fixes. After that, I always have to go to my job at 3 p.m. After that, we find back at home at 9 p.m. to take a rest. Finally, we send hugs, kisses, and we want to tell you what you are the best mom of the world. What we love with that we love with all of that we love with all of our heart. I miss you. We hope we can see you soon. Greetings.